Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science exams. To truly master science material, active recall is your most powerful tool. Instead of simply rereading your notes, challenge yourself to retrieve information from memory. Use flashcards for key terms and concepts, and regularly attempt practice questions. Explaining complex topics aloud, as if teaching someone else, can reveal gaps in your knowledge and strengthen your understanding significantly. This method is far more effective than passive review. Spaced repetition is crucial for long-term retention in science. Instead of cramming, spread your study sessions out over an extended period, perhaps revisiting a topic after one day, then 3 days, then a week. This technique helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. Additionally, consistently working through practice problems is non-negotiable. Science exams often require applying knowledge, so solving many different types of questions will build your problem-solving skills and confidence for exam day. For science exams, understanding concepts deeply is far more valuable than mere memorization. While some facts need to be learned, truly grasping the why and how behind scientific principles allows you to apply them to novel situations. Don't just memorize a formula, understand its derivation and when to use it. Creating diagrams, flowcharts, or concept maps can visually connect ideas, helping you see the bigger picture and solidify those crucial relationships for better recall during your exam. On exam day, preparation extends beyond just studying. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before to ensure your brain is well rested and ready to perform. A nutritious breakfast and staying hydrated throughout the day will also support your cognitive function. When the exam begins, take a few moments to read all instructions thoroughly. Allocate your time wisely, perhaps spending 1 minute per mark, and tackle questions you know first to build momentum and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.